Then there's a motorcycle coming out of the car wash, and then what did it do?
You know what it did.
I don't know.
It slid out.
It slid out, and then
What'd the man do?
he got caught on fire.
What part of him caught on fire?
His pants.
And what happened?
And I'm like, I can't speak real loud.
You're speaking loudly enough.
Okay. Then his pants caught on fire.
Mm-hmm.
And then the motorcycle burned. And then,
What, did he stay on fire? No. Some men came.
the man came,
What'd they do to him?
put him in the ditch.
Yep, they rolled him in the ditch.
And then the ambulance came.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
What else came? Let's finish this. The ambulance.
Uh-huh.
And what else?
And then the sheriff. Then
Who took the motorcycle away?
the tow truck. The tow truck.
Uh-huh.
And then
What was Coco doing?
she would call 911.
Uh-huh.
And then the guy went the light away, and he saw it. And then he went on the road, and there was no car coming. I said there could no car be on the road anymore. There's the park going somewhere, and there's a truck coming. The park.
Mm-hmm.
It then parked, and then that's it.
Where'd you guys go after it was all over?
Home.
Didn't you go see Trey? Where's he work?
At the newspaper. At the newspaper.
So were you pretty excited? What did William say?
He was pretty proud because he was walking around.
Yeah. Good job.
Oh, and they liked it to eat the bag off.
Show me again. What did he do? He patted his leg to try and get the fire off? What are you supposed to do when you're on fire?
Run around, and then someone has to say stop.
Stop.
Then you roll over and go back to sleep.
No, you don't roll over, go back to sleep. You stop, drop,
Stop.
and roll.
Rock and rock.